Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my baked chicken. So right here I have my wings. I'm also going to use some thighs too because I want to share, and there's not a lot of wings here. Basically, all I do, let me set this camera. Oh shoot, let's see if it's set there. That's good. So all I'm going to do is to these wings, I'm going to cut them. See how they're like, the wing and the drumstick are together? And they're a little wet because I defrosted them and the bag had a hole so water got into them. And I'm using my cleaver, just cutting them and throwing them on a tray. Simple as that. I'm a butcher in here. Alright, so after I do all this, I'm going to show you what I do next. So I'm going to finish my wings and I'm going to show you what I do next. Bye! Alright, now that I have all my chicken on a tray, I'm going to season it. And I already made my seasoning ahead of time in this bowl. And to be honest, I don't know why I put it in a big bowl. I'm going to make sure I save everything gets a little bit of something. Whoop. Yeah, just like this. Okay, I may have to mix that around, but at least a little, everything has something. So I'm going to like mix it, like just go like, just rub it, I guess. Rub, rub, rub. Everything gets some seasoning. You want it to be nice and seasoned. You don't want to have a chicken that's like, where's the flavor? Like, what the heck? Did you just cook chicken with no seasoning? You know what I mean? I'm making sure everything gets a little bit of something. And this is enough. There's enough seasoning here for all this chicken. So now that I've like made sure all my chicken gets all this good flavor, I am going to put it in the oven that has been preheating at 375, probably for about an hour. Just put their thighs in here, and they gotta make sure those get cooked, and the wings and drumsticks gotta get cooked. So in the oven you go. Oh shoot! I have hands in there. No, okay, put you up. Ow. Okay, so put it in the oven. Now, cook it for an hour, and I'm gonna leave it uncovered. When you cover it, the chicken will get as crispy and will get soggy too. I've learned that. Don't cover your chicken when you cook it, so it gets nice and crisp. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cook for 1 hour, and then I'll check on it if it needs more or less time. Whatever. So, I'll see you back here in a little bit. Bye! Alright, hey guys. I'm back really quick. I'm actually going to be adding some extra virgin olive oil on the chicken. With a little bit of olive oil. Alright, that's all I wanted to do with that, some olive oil. So I'll be back when the chicken is done. Or almost done. To check up on them. Alright, hi guys. So I just took the chicken out of the oven. And then I made chicken broth. All I did was use some of the bouillon and put it in hot water, mixed it, add some flour and butter and pan drippings, and I made gravy. Delicious gravy. Nice and bubbly. That's all you do. You make gravy with pan dripping. So that gravy is essentially this one. This gravy, the classic chicken gravy, but it looks a little different than the Heinz one. But this is basically what it is. Got a nice chicken gravy. And to be honest, I don't know how Heinz makes their gravy. Do they actually use like pan drippings to make like chicken gravy, or if they do like the turkey gravy, do they use the pan drippings from the turkey? Who knows? I don't know. Or if they have like the pork one or whatever, do they use drippings? I don't know, but that's all I did. So again, in here I have pan drippings with chicken broth that I made, and butter and flour, and I'm just mixing this. And the stove is off, but it's still hot. And voila! You got a nice batch of gravy. Woohoo! And this is what the chicken looks like. Nice and crispy and delicious. And dinner is served. Now I have to make a pot of white rice because my sister was like, what are we having with it? And she's like, ooh, I don't make white rice. So I'm going to do that now. And that's what I'll have with dinner. So, alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, comment it, subscribe, and ding the bell so you get notification when I upload a new video. And I don't think I said, this is Vlogmas Day 12. 12 days in a row, keeping it going. So, bye-bye.